Our Reishi Mushroom Health Supplement is created using 100% all natural ingredients to provide the right nutrients to support immune system and cardiovascular system health naturally. Herbal ingredients make for a smarter way to provide balanced nutrition for optimal and overall health and function. Each bottle of our Reishi Mushroom Health Supplement contains 120 vegetarian capsules of an all-natural blend of only the highest quality reishi mushroom. Activa Naturals is the natural way to provide the right nutrition for better cardiovascular health. As a dietary supplement, we recommend taking 2 capsules daily with food and water or as recommended by your healthcare professional. Remember to always consult with your doctor or health practitioner before beginning any supplementation program.